It's upside down day. So I have made a chocolate peanut butter banana upside down cake. Just check this out. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so delicious. So let me show you how to make it. All right, guys, so here on my counter are all the ingredients that you will need to make this delicious cake. So let me go over those with you. To make the caramely peanut butter banana topping for this cake, you will need 2 to 3 bananas, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 stick of butter, 1/4 of a cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of water, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I have 2 teaspoons here. 1 teaspoon will go in the topping, and then 1 teaspoon will go into the cake part. So for that, you will need 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 egg, 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1/2 of a cup of milk, 1/4 of a cup of cocoa, and then 1/2 of a teaspoon each of salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Now I am baking my cake in my 10-inch cast iron skillet, but you can use whatever cake pan that you want to, just as long as you can flip it over because it is an upside down cake. So you will want to melt your butter in your skillet, and this is one of the reasons why I like to use a skillet. Just seems to make things a little bit easier. So I'm going to go ahead and add my brown sugar and my peanut butter. I'm going to add my tablespoon of water and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm just going to let this come up to a boil until the peanut butter dissolves and melts into the caramel sauce. All right, and then I'm going to take my bananas, and I've sliced them thin, and I'm just going to place them all on top of the caramel sauce. So to a mixing bowl, I've added my butter, and it has been sitting out at room temperature, so it is softened. And then I'm going to add my sugar. I'm just taking an electric mixer, and I'm going to blend these two together until it's creamy. All right, then I'm going to add my egg. And then I'm going to add the peanut butter. And the vanilla extract. All right, then I'm going to add the flour, the cocoa, salt, baking powder, and baking soda, and the milk. All right, so my cake batter is all done, and now I'm just going to place it on top of my bananas. I'm just getting a little cake spreader here and just going to gently spread this cake out. The batter is a little on the thick side, so just gently spread it out. Okay, then bake your cake in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes or until you can do a toothpick test and the toothpick comes out clean. So I have let the cake cool for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take a knife and kind of just go all around the edges just to loosen it up. And now the moment of truth. I'm going to flip this cake over onto a plate. This is always the the stressful part of a upside down cake. So here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Oh gosh, this always. Let's see how this turns out. All right, guys, so it kind of stuck a little bit, but that's okay. I'm just scraping it and taking some of what's on the bottom and filling in the holes. It's all good. So upside down cakes can sometimes be a bit of a challenge, and they will at times stick, and that's okay. It happens. It's about how they taste, right? And this one is so, so delicious. So let me cut into it and show you what it looks like. Chocolate, peanut butter, and banana. Those are some of my favorites. The cake is nice and moist. Oh yeah. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.